Larissa Coons. I'm your 2024 Community Relations Chair. We had a great June meeting. We have so many opportunities coming up for you to give back to your community and have fun at the same time, and specifically a lot going on this weekend. We have Habitat for Humanity, both the Build at Sand Creek, where you can sign up, volunteer, and we also have volunteer slots available for the Restore South. We have links in the description for you to sign up for those this Saturday, June 8th. Also, this Saturday, June 8th, the third annual Reclaiming Hope concert will be going on at Gold Hill Mesa beginning at 11 a.m. It's okay if you can't attend, you can still click that link and go ahead and donate. The tickets are $35. You get $10 back at the door to go towards drinks or the fun games, lots of things that you can do to benefit a great cause. We also have the Springs Rescue Mission 4x4 food drive going on. We started off strong this last weekend, already collecting more than 15 carts of food going towards that 4-ton goal. We will be out at the King Soopers at 19th and Uinta this weekend. Cannot wait to see all of you there. Please clean out your pantries, talk to your friends, gather food. We are going for weight here. So yeah, come out and see us 19th and Uinta. We will also have shopping lists available there to give to you so you can go in, grab items while you're doing your regular weekend shopping. Come out and give it to us as you leave. Community Relations meets the first Wednesday of every month at 9:30 a.m. in the PPAR boardroom, and I cannot wait to see you next month. Have a great rest of your day.